so much.
Wild onion.
Yeah. That's so cool. Where's Dylan? Dylan. Smell.
That didn't take long.
I don't want to take this poo all the way there though.
Cool, hey?
Tie it
Onion.
and just throw it. Or just set it like kind of like hidden, and then we'll grab it on our way back.
Yeah.
The little sign saying, "We'll be back." Should get the like "We'll be back" little taggies. Yeah.
Oh. Keep going down. No, this way.
Well, that's a good spot for the strider.
Oh, it's a steep hill. Careful.
No. On my bike?
You want me to? You can sit on it. Ready? Keep using your feet though. No, put your feet down to help slow down. You gotta help brake.
Nice.
Put your feet down. Help brake. Perfect. Okay, you good?
Hey,
You
Mom,
got
now
it.
you can do it.
Another one.
Wow.
That's big.